Okay, so we're going to measure the speed of sound. Today we're using tuning forks. We've got this lovely glass tube which we will not break. We've got a big Erlenmeyer flask that's full of water and a good and faithful meter stick. What we'll do is we're going to strike the tuning fork to get a nice tone. When we strike the tuning fork, don't hit the table, don't hit the side of your head and might dent my tuning fork. Strike the rubber pad, or if you want, the bottom of your foot on your shoe. Either way, you're not going to dent the tuning fork and therefore change the frequency. This one, by the way, happens to be 392 Hertz. I don't want to write that down. I'm going to strike it, I'm going to hold it over top of my air column, and then adjust the length of the air column by raising the glass tube, and I get more and more air in here. I'm going to keep raising it until I hear a nice loud resonance point. At that point I stop, I use my meter stick, and I measure the height of my air column. So we'll give it a try. Gets nice and loud there. That's my resonance point. With my meter stick then, I'm going to measure, careful, careful, I'm going to measure from the water to the top of my glass tube, right? From the water to the top of my glass tube. That's the length of my air column. Then, for a different trial, I'm going to take this, going to put it away, I'm going to grab another tuning fork, do the same thing, and we see we get a resonance point at a different length. Okay, so we're going to try this for 5 or 6 different tuning forks. We're going to record the frequency and the length of our air column. Then we're going to use that to graph and come up with the speed of sound.